Now through November, visitors to Center City will see a lot of activity and a few orange barrels along South Saginaw Road from East Patrick to Dartmouth as the South Saginaw Streetscape Renovation transforms our second oldest business district. This work will include the construction of 8-foot multimodal pathways, new street trees, improved street lighting for both pedestrians and motorists, and beautiful new horticultural features. Wait, wasn't there a road construction project on Saginaw Road just last year? There was. The South Saginaw Resurfacing Project, which applied a new asphalt surface and new pavement markings to Saginaw Road along the stretch of the corridor, was completed in 2021. For this project, crews will be working mostly from the curb line in. There may be some temporary lane closures on Saginaw Road and a few sidewalk closures intermittently throughout the project, but overall, we don't expect any significant traffic impacts. So, why are we doing this? This work is Phase 1 of the Center City Redevelopment Plan, which authorizes a redevelopment strategy that will encourage additional development and private investment or reinvestment in the Center City District. This work will also help to improve pedestrian and non-motorized connectivity and safety for all users of the Saginaw Road corridor. This is in line with the City of Midland's goals that are guided both by our Complete Streets policy and our master plan. For more information on the South Saginaw Streetscape Renovation or to sign up for project alerts and other construction updates, visit cityofmidlandmi.gov/Saginaw Road.